Welcome to our tutorial on how to use Secure DNS in Chrome on your PC. In this guide, we will walk you through the step-by-step process of enabling Secure DNS for enhanced privacy and security while browsing. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Chrome. Step 2. At the top right corner of the browser window, click on the 3 vertical dots to access the Chrome menu. Step 3. From the drop-down menu, select Settings to open the Chrome Settings page. Step 4. In the Settings page, find and click on Privacy and Security to access privacy and security settings. Step 5. Within the Privacy and Security settings, locate and click on Security. Step 6. Finally, toggle the switch to enable Use Secure DNS for enhanced privacy and security while browsing. Thank you for watching our tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful guides. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Stay safe and enjoy your secure browsing experience.